Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your MacBook Pro runs a recent Mac OS and the AirPlay target, Apple TV or Smart TV has latest firmware. You enable both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the Mac, since AirPlay uses network discovery. Turn the display on the target and bring it near the same network. Once done, open Control Center, locate screen mirroring, and look for the device name to initiate the first connection. Now that your Mac sees the AirPlay target, choose whether to mirror your screen or use the TV as an extended display. You click the device in screen mirroring and pick your preferred mode. To reduce lag, go to System Settings Displays and select the optimal resolution and refresh rate. Lowering resolution can improve performance on wireless links. Also, open Sound Settings and set the AirPlay target as the audio output so video and audio remain synchronized during playback. To finish, stop AirPlay from Control Center or press the disconnect option on the target. This ensures your Mac returns to its built-in display settings. If you encounter problems, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the Mac and the AirPlay device, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi band. 5 GHz often gives better throughput, and temporarily disable VPN or network isolation. If issues persist, sign out and back into your.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.